I can't set mine off. I'm at
Whoa, Holly, yo, do not unplug my computer, please. Oh man, oh my god, it's like machine guns going off right now.
Oh, Mike.
I can't set any of mine off. Anybody got a lighter nearby?
I can't hear any of you.
At the front? Yeah.
Oh, I see it. Alright, thank you.
Oh, someone down by the fire station setting them off?
That's me.
It
Is somebody running by the fire station? Oh, never mind. It's all the zombies.
Oh.
I was on the fire station and I just got kicked, so.
That's me.
Yeah, it won't let me do anything.
The lighter disappeared, Andrew. Could you send me another one?
Yep.
Fuck.
Who's shooting?
Me.
Tom is.
I don't know what the hell happened. My keyboard started messing up.
Didn't handle the frame rate.
Christ.
Can you
Every
yeet
time I
one up
pushed forward,
to
I went
me,
backwards.
Tom, or no?
What's that?
Can you yeet one up to me or no?
No, I'm